This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Electra Alexander. Call this first-floor unit home, tucked away in the established Norfolk neighborhood of Suburban Acres. Wood floors throughout. Newly renovated kitchen and baths. Spacious floor plan. Bonus room can be used as den/home office. Just minutes away from downtown Norfolk, Ward's Corner, Norfolk Naval Base, and Norfolk Airport. Rent includes up to $50 of water, sewage, and sanitation. Remaining amounts will be split between unit number 2 tenants. Fireplace is decorative only. Applicants and co-applicants must submit together with all required proof of income, ID. One small pet considered on case-by-case basis. Pet security deposit and monthly pet rent apply. No cats. No smoking inside. For more information, review the details below or contact Electra Alexander at 757-523-1216.